Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. It's cooking time, so if you're never excited, then let me tell you, cheer up and rope in. On today's menu, we have some succulent bacon wrapped shrimp. This recipe that I'm doing is the start of some holiday recipe ideas. This is a great appetizer for Christmas dinner, right? I wanted to show you guys how to do a little deveining. You see that long gray thing under him belly? That's his vein that we are going to rid him of. I already deveined the rest of them. I just lifted back a few just to show you guys what's up. You can actually buy them devein, but in case you don't and you never realize what take place under Mr. Shrimp belly, then see it ya. So just bust a slice in your belly, right? And then rip out the vein. Be sure to wash them after you are done. So yes, see there, bust him, see the vein there? And we are going to rip it out and then check for more. And just like that, away that. And here are my two little 1-2 ingredients that I'll be rubbing together to create this treat of a treat. Smoked bacon, not just regular bacon. What is you are gonna be doing to me today? My, ooh, yes. I'm telling you, ooh, I already feel a spirit come true. So yes, as usual, you guys know my Afobosa one season pan the shrimp. But to be honest, Vibes fam, you don't have to season this. Trust me, it no need it. That is why I'm blessing it with a toops, just a little toops, right? So now we are gonna get to wrapping. Yes, we are start wrapping early this year. So take up one shrimpy and wrap the bacon around him. Just like that. Now you can leave out the top and bottom part of the shrimp, but as for me and my belly, we love when it has bacon from the crown of its head to the sole of its tail. So we are clothed him in baconness. Yes, no left back, we not left out nothing. We are cover you up. So that's one down and a few more to go. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the perfect holiday appetizer. It's so good. I promise your little bit of guests, or even, you know, if I just you or if I just your family, you guys are going to love it. I just beer love. And definitely it will open your appetite to receive Christmas dinner. Good stuff. So yes, just continue to wrap them. And this was so fun. Like, maybe me just weird, but I really enjoyed doing this for sure. It be just nice and fun. And guess what? If you have your children, you can get them involved if, you know, they're a bit older. So good stuff for the holiday or any little thing. Wrap to the wrap, my girl. Wrap and wrap and wrap. I be a wrap, we a wrap. I be a wrap, we a wrap. And just like that, one lifted. Just one dege one. And wrap him from the crown of him head to the sole of him tail. Oh Lord, I tell you. So here they are all done, and now I'm going to prepare a nice little coating sauce for them. So guys, I melt half cup of butter, a little less than half cup dark sugar, stir it up and try to get it as together as much as possible. And next we are going to add some smoked paprika. I mean, if you have the regular one, then go ahead, but smoked it up, I did. So some smoked paprika, chili powder, and some cayenne pepper. Mix it up and you can taste it and see if it needs more of the paprika and stuff, you know. Peppery if you like pepper. But don't go in too much with the pepper, you know, because remember, you serve enough people. Unless you know, so the whole of your family like pepper. So guys, you see the consistency? Now let's coat these little beauties with the deliciousness of a coating sauce. So each bacon wrapped shrimp should be adorned in the coat. And guys, this is why I was saying the shrimp don't really necessarily need to be seasoned, because this sauce right here is going to be hitting all the spots. Do you hear me? All of them. Every single spot. It a hit high note, low note, soprano, tenor. Listen, tenor, you know, and a tenor. Listen, alto, everybody, every note it a hit. Listen to me, man. It's a band all by itself, this sauce right here, I'm telling you. So, yeah, you don't necessarily have to season the shrimp, but you don't know me just love seasoners. I'm telling you, if you left for yourself too, you know, yeah, me season on too. So, just add the sauce, and your oven should be preheated at 204 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, right? And bake them for 15 minutes. So while that's in the oven, I'm going to make a dipping sauce. That's a sauce and a half. And guys, honestly, I just used just enough mayo for the amount of sauce I needed, so I don't have any set amount, you know. So to that I add 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon hot chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and a slab, you hear me? A slab of honey and a slab of sweet chili sauce and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I love honey and I love sweet chili, so yeah, me did just dash. And guys, when you combine them in one accord, just taste it and see what you would need more of. Because honestly, this sauce was really, it is really about individual preference, right? I did add a little more hot chili, but other than that, it was perfect. So if you prefer sweet, then add more honey. And if you love a kick in your taste buds, then add more hot chili or sweet chili. My sweet chili have a kick to it. So here it is, bacon wrapped shrimp after 15 minutes. So we are going to coat it with some more niceness. And guys, if your coating sauce did finish, then just melt some more butter, dash in some sugar and the other stuff. Simple as that, right? And get to coating. And guys, you realize it's getting a double portion of sauce anointing. Yes, so that make it taste extra good. So put it back in the oven for 5 minutes or broil it for 2 minutes, just until it get the color that you like. And vibes fam, are we this? Me say, are we this? Grab one of granny stool and come by here. Family, when I tell you that me and my husband never know what to do with ourselves when we taste this, me say, look almost me start fight. I'm not fight nobody, you know, but it was just in case someone come take it out of my hand. Me start fight from early. Yeah. me say, Obi take one bite and then just fall backwards in the sofa. Eyes closed and everything. You would have think say him slain in the spirit. I'm telling you guys, this is the perfect appetizer for the Christmas party or any little gathering what you want to have. Vibes fam, it's so juicy on the inside, and that sauce that's peeking at me right now. Oh, Lord have a mercy. Oh Jesus, I feel a spirit. Yes, Lord. Vibes fam, this are one of the good food when me a talk about. In my intro, when I say good food and good vibes, are this me a talk about. Uno have to make it. Me say uno have to make it. Vibes fam, thanks so much for watching. New watchers, please subscribe. Hey, like and comment, and please go follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. The link is listed below. Just click it. Me say click it. God bless you. Thank you.